EastEnders actor Alfie Deegan took the soap by storm as he entered Albert Square as Tiffany Butcher's brother Liam Butcher in 2021. In the soap, Liam had travelled from Germany, where he was living with his dad Ricky Butcher, to support his sister, played by Maisie Smith, following her split from her husband Keegan Baker, played by Zach Morris. During his time on the soap, Liam caused a stir as he schemed with Janine Butcher and Billy Mitchell to steal cars and sell them. He also drove a wedge between his sister Tiffany and Keegan, before the pair ultimately reunited, and also left the soap with Maisie going on tour with Strictly Come Dancing and Zach breaking into America and landing a role in the Disney Plus remake of Goosebumps. After causing a stir, and accidentally kidnapping Frankie Lewis during a car theft gone wrong, Liam decides to head back to Germany and Alfie's soap stint came to an end. More than a year on from his time on EastEnders, actor Alfie has revealed he returned to work on a construction site between acting jobs. A video posted on his Instagram story shows the actor wearing a pair of beige safety boots while stood on some scaffolding attached to a house while a colleague worked on the roof while wearing a high-vis jacket. As Alfie posted the video on his Instagram story, he wrote on top of the clip, "Back to basics," hinting he has returned to his day job away from acting. Following his short Albert Square stint in 2021, Alfie posted on his Instagram to gush over the opportunity. He wrote, "This time last year I was given the opportunity some kids would dream of growing up. I can't explain how grateful I am. I find myself daydreaming sometimes about memories on and off set when I was on EastEnders. I learned so much and met some seriously talented genuine people that I was lucky enough to share the screen with. Let alone the people behind the camera. It's a big ol' family on Albert Square. Undeniably one of my biggest achievements in itself. The passion I have for this craft will never fade, the hunger will drive me and the willpower will make me." But, the BBC soap role has been Alfie's last acting job, as he also appeared in an episode of BritBox drama The Chelsea Detective as Jack Turner. He also appeared in short film Taylor as Mark. Meanwhile, he is set to appear on screens again as he has an upcoming role in 2023 movie Silver Haze. The role will see him appear alongside Hannah star Esme Creed Miles. The movie follows a young girl out for revenge for a terrible fire that occurred when she was a child 15 years before.